Hey y'all, welcome back for another episode with Chaz's Lifestyle. Today we are making some stuffed Cajun chicken with the cream sauce. Okay, so I will have all of my ingredients listed down below in the description box, so be sure to check that out. I'm just going to start with my mix that I will be putting in my chicken. Now, this is some softened cream cheese, some steamed spinach, and a little bit of Old Bay to spice it up a little bit. Just going to mash it down and mix. So I will be using my icing bag. You can use a Ziploc bag. That is a very good hack. Shout out to my girl, Kimmy Creations on Instagram. Be sure to check her stuff out. She has awesome content. She posted a video of her stuffing her chicken and she used an icing bag or a Ziploc bag, one of those. And I thought that idea was so awesome, y'all. Oh my gosh. If you like to stuff things and you know the difficulties that we have when stuffing chicken, then you understand where we're coming from. So this is a lifesaver. Thank you, girl. So I'm just going to start by slicing the middle of my chicken. Take your time while doing this because you can easily just slice it all up, okay? So we're going to create a little pocket. As you can see, cute, she's cute. Okay, so I am going to have a little surprise. I'm adding in a little bit of mozzarella cheese. I love a cheese pool. That's my favorite. So I will add in some mozzarella cheese. And then after that, I will be piping my mixture in my chicken. My oven is preheating on 400, so be prepared to sear your chicken, and then we're going to place it in the oven covered with foil. Placing some olive oil on my chicken, and then we're going to season this thing up, okay? You want to season your chicken breast up pretty well. It is a thick piece of meat, so you want to make sure it's very flavorful. Now you can marinate this overnight or for 1 hour covered in the refrigerator. I am going to go ahead and preheat my cast iron pan and add in olive oil. Once the olive oil is pretty hot, make sure you have a decent level of olive oil. You want to have just a small layer of olive oil. Now we're just searing it to get a really pretty sear. I like mine a little bit more crispy, so I left it on there a little longer. But just watch it as you go. Next, we're going to work on our cream sauce. This is so simple, y'all. You can add it to literally anything. I'm just going to melt some butter, create a little roux to help thicken up our sauce. Go ahead and add some flour, and you want to whisk that flour in until it's cooked. Okay, you don't want to have that uncooked flour taste. It's not good, trust me. So go ahead and keep whisking until it's cooked. I would say about 5-6 minutes. Have it on a medium-low heat. You can add a little bit more butter if needed. And that's what you want to see. You want to see foam up some. Then we're going to add in some heavy cream. And I'm adding in my heavy cream slowly, just as I go. That would create that smooth texture we all love. So let's season this bad boy up. Let it come to a light boil, and then once it starts boiling, go ahead and turn it off. You want your sauce to thicken up slightly. Now here I'm adding in just a little bit of that seafood broth to help loosen it back up. If you need to add it, add as you go, just to get it to the right consistency that I want it to be. Okay, so this is it after it was out of the oven, y'all. So simple. If you decide to make it, be sure to tag me on Instagram at Chaz's Cuisines. Also, like, comment, and subscribe if you are not a part of the family.